So today I'm going to be showing you something very simple to make. Like you can literally do this on your own, right? We are going to be using just these two hair. Okay, we are going to be using the kinky. I think I have about let's count the strands. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So about 10 strands. So we are going to be doing into 5 5, right? So 5 on this side and 5 on the other side. And then we're going to be using this for, I think you're going to see it. Okay, let me not just say too much. Let us jump right into the video. So if you're using this, make sure that there's no water on your hair. So your hair should not be wet. As you can see, my hair is fully dried. I'm just going with this to stretch them out a bit. So if your hair is wet, go in with your blow dryer. Don't use this on wet hair. You're going to get bubble hair. Okay. After this, I will definitely cut the tip of my hair. See that the back hair is getting longer a little. Okay, just going to go in with it. Just a little. Just a little. I'm not doing too much. Okay. 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 So I'm going to do the same thing here. Right? Feeling hot. I'm feeling too hot, guys. Okay. I'm going to take off the clips I used for the back part. Take it off. I'm going to take them off. So I'm free from clips, right? So here comes the ogre of them all. The back part. The back part with the shortest of them hairs. Let us do something. First of all, I'm going to go in with my detangle spray again. You know our hair. When I lose it and then do all the whole necessary combing and stretching, I guess what? He's going to go back. He's going to go back. So I'm going to use the detangle spray and do some, retouch of, or should I say recombing. Detangle spray. Going with the big comb. I'm going to get something bigger enough because my hair, I don't want to do any aggressive combing. So I'm going to take my time from the tip to the roots. Okay. Okay, I get it. Okay. Then I'm going to take the same gel. I think it's too much. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing, the same process. Something to just, bring them all together. So I'm going to use it at the back part. Let me off my fan. I think the noise is entering my mic. Remember, I have a very short hair at the back. So if you have long hair, you're lucky. Okay. I'm just holding it tightly the best I can. I think I just ended up holding my skull. Okay, so this is what we have. Oh, this is what we have. Let us go in and do braids, okay? Just to get a base for us to, You can either braid it down like this, or you braid it together with the attachment. I'm just doing this way, so I just assume this to be one, and then I'll do my attachment into two, right? We need three parts. I don't know if you understand. If you know how to braid already, you should understand. If not, think you should go learn this one because it's not included. Right? So we have Ngbeke number one. Ngbeke one of Africa. Okay, so it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cut. They're going to go one by one. If you want it to be easy for you. Okay, let me do everything on camera. Like this. Take it inside. You got the reason why the band is in my hand is so I can have something to hold on to. Okay, while I'm tying the knot of this hair. So I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot. Boom. Okay, so you're going to do it one by one for every other. I wanted to do everything at once, but I just figured out I'm on camera and people are watching. So you're here to learn, right? So let's just do everything one after the other. I'm going to take, it's still in my hand just as an anchor. So I'm going to take another and I'm going to tie. So basically what you're doing is putting them and tying them to make a knot. Boom. Okay, so I'm going to do that to every other time. I'll do it one more, then I'm going to do every other thing off camera. So boom. Inside. Take it from the other way and just tie. Basically you're just tying once. You don't need to do too much. Once is okay. And this is what we want to get. We want to get something like a ponytail, right? So I'm going to do it to every other part and come back. I'm going to go ahead and cut excesses. I've done that here, and then I did a knot. The reason why I'm doing a knot is so I can have somewhere to hold this onto. It can actually stay even without the knot, right? I just want to do something different from what I've done previously. This is the outcome, guys. How is it? How do you think I did? I ate. What happened was I used the elastic, whatever that was left off after I tied it. So I used that just to grab onto my pony that I already did with my hair, my short hair, my wonderful short hair. And I did the same thing on this side. Whatever that was left with the elastic, I tied it round. And then I just, used my hand to position them well. When I saw that this was not was not flat on my hair, so I went on with the pin to pin it down, right? But this is what I got at the end of the day. I did. Yet I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hair. Okay. Ooh, the sweat.